Welcome to this short presentation about profile management. I'm Ntabo Mfuraleo, coming from the Center for Open Distance and E-Learning of the University of Rwanda. We have e-learning platform where all of us, we have access. We have a username, we have a password. Then our information that the system is having is called the profile. A profile refers to explicit digital representation of a person's identity. Whatever is identifying you in this e-learning platform is called profile. On your e-learning platform that I'm saying, a user profile that we are supposed to manage, to check, to update is made of username. All student, your username is supposed to be your registration number. The password, you choose it, it's your choice. We have all of us the first name, we have the second name or surname, we have the email address, we have the city, where are we located to facilitate the time zone, in which country are we following this module. We are able to add a picture that is called the user picture. For the student, ID number is supposed to be your registration number, is mandatory, because it's your primary key in the university. We are supposed to see if our institution is the University of Rwanda. We can add our department as well as our mobile phone, so that whenever somebody needs to communicate to us, can pass through so many ways. All of those informations, every user is supposed to update on his own. So the steps to manage or to update all of those information of profile, first, you have to be logged in. It's the first step. You have to log in first. And to log in, your name will appear on your right side, top corner of your screen. And if you click on your name, you will see a list of sub-menus will come, and you choose the preferences. And to manage your profile, you pass through Edit Profile. And when you are done, you have to click on Update Profile. Allow me to make a practice of what I come to say. I open elearning.ur.ac.rw and I click on the login to log in this e-learning platform. You have to remember your username and your password. In case you forgot your password, we will tell you how to recover them or contact anyone of the support staff. When you are logged in, I'm saying on your right side corner top, you see your names appearing. If I click on those names, a list of sub-menus will come, and I choose Preferences. If I click Preferences, I have either to edit the profile, I can change the password, I can even change the language for this interface. Let us pass through first, edit the profile, and see what I can change. You see, you can change starting by your name. Suppose your first name, they made a mistake. Feel free to change it. Your surname, which is your family name, suppose they made a mistake, feel free to add it. Then you have your email address. For most of users are claiming that your emails are not correct. Feel free to change it and add your functional email. Then you go down, you can add your city. Remember that this city will help the system to synchronize the content with your location as a time zone, and you have to add the country, so you can add a brief of your bibliography. If you go down, you can add a picture. Suppose you need to add a picture. If you come on add, choose file, you can choose your image and you add it. We will be updating your profile. Then we go down for optional. We have web page. Suppose if you have a website that you have made, you can have the Skype ID if you are using Skype. But I want to come here on ID number. For all students, you are supposed to add your ID number, which is supposed to be 9-digit. So your institution is University of Rwanda. Then if you come on your department, suppose I'm doing science, and my phone number should appear here on the mobile phone. As I'm dealing this from Rwanda, I can add our postal code. Then I click on Update Profile. In that case, all information that I come to add here will appear there on my profile. If I come back here on profile and I come back on edit the profile, I see that all of those information that I've added will appear here. ID number, institution, department, and the mobile phone. Suppose now I need to change my password. For changing password, I have to pass through preferences. Then I go down on change password. If you click on change password, you will put the current password, you add the new password, you repeat it again, and from this, the first password should be equal to the previous one. Then you have to click on save change. In that case, you will have to change the password. Thank you very much. You are done with profile management, and feel free to keep on making practice. Thank you very much.